to the next house. This is house number 3. Now, house number 3, this is where I lose my cell phone at. House phone number 3 was, I seen, like I said, I seen this before too. It's another huge ass house, but this one's brown. And they take me through, this one they take me all the way through. So when you walk in, I'm guessing that is the living room, but it's dark. It's dark in this house. Remind you, it was light in the other house, but it's dark in this house. There's no electric. So I'm walking through. I see certain things, you know what I'm saying, just around. I see certain things, so but I don't remember what they were and all that stuff. And as I'm walking through, you could tell like this is a living room, this was a dining room. You know what I'm saying? Like everything is there, like it never been touched, so everything's there. There's a few pictures on the wall, so I'm trying to look at the pictures, but it's dark and they did not, yeah, distorted. They distorted to where I can't really see them. So there is a piglet in this room. I mean, this they take me upstairs and I can see upstairs. There is a piglet and there is a German Shepherd dog. I don't know why. And they don't attack. They come towards me and I pat them and everything. So it's like they knew me. I start seeing different things. Like I seen different pictures of the kids, but they don't look the same as my kids now. And here you can see the pictures, but they, like I said, they a little distorted, but I can see a little bit, like, glimpse of myself. Okay? Weirdest shit ever. When I start seeing this, Tiffany and my husband D was like, "Do you remember anything?" I said, "I remember a little, but I don't remember a lot." I can't tell you what else happened in this house because I don't. It's starting to fade away, so I don't remember. Then we go into the 4th house. So 3rd house, I can't remember everything in there right now. So I might end up having to do a part 2 to this one because I just don't, I can't remember it. Or something is blocking me from remembering. I'm going to say it that way. Something's blocking me from remembering because I'm normally spot on with this shit. For some reason, something is blocking me from remembering what happened. It's like I wasn't supposed to be in that 3rd one. Yeah, something happened. I wasn't supposed to be in that 3rd one. Because as we looking around, I got the eerie feeling like somebody was looking at me. Like we was rushing to be in there and I had to get up out of there. So when we left, at the bottom of the steps, like it's like a 3-story house, so you can come out the back door, but you can go down the steps to get out. That's where I left my phone at. Well, it's like we weren't supposed to be there. Like somebody else owned that house now, and we weren't supposed to be there. And my husband and my cousin was taking me to see some things that was in there, but our stuff is still there, which is weird. Our stuff is still there, but we weren't supposed to be there. It's like we weren't supposed to be there. It's like somebody else owned the house now, and we weren't supposed to be there at that time. But whoever that was at the bottom of the steps, they was holding the phone, that or some type of device, but they didn't say nothing as we walked past them. And then I turn around and I look at my husband. I'm like, damn, I left my phone. So he go back to go get my phone, and then he told me like, you cannot lose your phone in this where we going. I'm like, okay, excuse me. You can't forget it. And I said, okay. He said, I got one more house for you. I said, okay. We'll go to this last house. It's red and white. Only made it to 2 rooms. In the first room, you walk in, it's like a living room. It's nothing but pictures of up all around. I see one of my good friends from in my childhood. Uh, I see her posted up. She had her own section. Looked like she had a child of her own. The next section, I see my child, and I knew she was mine automatically because she looked like my last son, Eon. She looked like him, but was a girl. She looked exactly like him, but a girl. And I see, just different pictures of her. She was happy. And then I see pictures of pictures of like all my children, but all my kids are not my kids as I have now. Some of them are, some ain't. I see pictures of Naya, but Naya didn't look the same because in this, I'll tell you what happened. Because in this, she is me and my husband now, daughter. She looked the same, but she different, a little different, okay. Um, so I mean, it's just rows and rows of pictures, and I'm going through the pictures, and it's like in this house, I could see how I lived, the importance of things. Don't get me wrong, I lived a good life in this house. I see Naya there. I didn't see the boys in this one. So apparently in this world, in this house, um, I guess I had about 2 or 3 kids. But they was girls. Seen that girl, that was it. So I'm guessing I only had one. But I was having fun. You can see the trips I took. It's just pictures and rolls and pictures and rolls of shit. Until what fucked me up was, and that's why I'm kind of, I can't say I'm sad, but I'm like fucked up. It fucked me up because in this dream I did the same exact shit. My husband was like, I was like, what's that picture? Because it was distorted, but I could see. I'm laying down and people are over me. And I'm like, what's this? He said, I don't think you're ready for that one. I said, what is it? He said, it's the picture of your repass. I said, what? I said, I died. And he said, yeah, you died in this house. I'm like, how did I die? He couldn't tell me how I died. Or I take that back. I was crying my ass off and was like, how did I die? My cousin come running in and she consoling me and said, it's okay. You alive. You okay? I never got my answer how I died in that time. I'm sorry. So I woke up this morning like, I died? I was like, I died. How did I die, baby? How did I die? Baby looking at me like, what you mean how you died? Like, you, what? I don't know. I'm like, yes, you do know. So I explained to him this dream, and he's like, damn, that's some crazy shit. Hold on, let me get myself together. I know this is long, and I'm sorry. Um, but what happened? So I end up getting rushed out of that dream because I was crying all uncontrollably, however the fuck you say the shit. And like I was devastated, just to know that. I mean, I know I died, but to just see it fucked me up. I'm gonna be honest, it fucked me up. Not real bad though, but it makes me want to go deeper into myself to figure out what happened in my past, to understand my future. You see what I'm saying? Tell y'all is keep doing the work that y'all doing spiritually. Um, you gonna get there. If you keep having recurring dreams and you don't understand them, believe me, you gonna have that dream again. And whatever level of consciousness that you have, everything gonna start revealing itself. There's a major shift that done took place, so our memories will be coming back. And this is what the fuck just happened to me. So when I woke up, I realized that I went into my past. And the way that they showed me is me going into the past, and that each house was a different past. So the first house I went into, that's, I guess, for my consciousness, it was too far back, and I couldn't remember, and I couldn't see too much of nothing. But I know that the house wasn't fucked up, so I know I'm getting there. You know. Um, then for the next one, the next house, I could see everything perfect, but apparently I must have been a Chinese person because it was nothing but Chinese stuff all around. You know what I'm saying? When you gather up the details of stuff, you can understand it a lot more. Um, the next one, like I said, it was dark in there. Excuse me. Excuse me. It was dark, but I could see certain things. Like there was no light coming in until I got upstairs. When I got up the stairs, I could see. Right. Then the last one was full of light. Like it is now, it's full of light. And I could see that light the whole lifetime. Pay attention to everything when y'all in these dreams. I'm telling you, it's going to tell you everything you need to know. If you need help with trying to interpret your dreams, I can only do so much. I'm gonna be honest with you. I can only do so much, and I can help you, but everything is not as it seemed. But in this one, I know for a fact that I traveled to the past. I know I did, and did it in different ways. Everybody do it in their own way, of their own consciousness of what they know. And I just figured that shit the fuck out. That's the reason I put my dreams out there, because one, I'm getting more understanding, and seeing like day by day, my dreams get more vivid. And then it's like some of my dreams are warnings to warn people. I don't know if it's the people around me or people outside of me, of my circle, but I get these dreams all the fucking time now. And now they come in more vivid than anything like tonight. I say all that to say this. Y'all keep working at it. Whoever out there listening, y'all keep work at it, because baby, this shit ain't no joke. Wake me up out of my damn sleep crying and shit. Talking about how the fuck did I die? What? I'm still a little fucked up, I'm gonna be honest. But it's not bad. I'm still learning who I am and what I am. Well, I'm gonna let y'all go now because this was some deep shit. And if I have anything else, I'll update y'all and let y'all know. I'll let y'all. Peace.